here is our Renogy 100 watt folding solar panel setup. It's been really awesome actually this whole trip. So come around here, take a look at the controller. So you can see it's taking in 6 amps right now, which is actually the highest that I've seen, or 6 amps is. I haven't seen anything over that. Normally good sunlight is between 5.5 and 5.9, and then I've seen now a couple times it hit 6. That just shows how many amp hours it's charged into the battery, and that shows the battery voltage. But the solar panel has been crazy awesome. We're running 2 refrigerators in the back of the truck. We're running a Dometic 50 and a 75, and I've got them set pretty cold. I have this one set at 28 for drinks, and I've got this side set at 28 for food, and this side set at 20 because we've got food in here that can be frozen, and we've also got ice cream in here. So we've been keeping pretty cold temperatures on here. One thing I will say is that with this solar panel, I can go a few days on battery power before I'm gonna have to start, looking at other alternatives. I do have a little battery meter so I can see how much power these use during the day, and then of course I know how much the solar panel is charging. So for the one solar panel, that would be perfect for a fridge and other accessories. Because I'm running 2 refrigerators and I keep them pretty cold, I will need to add another solar panel because in the middle of the day, these 2 refrigerators pull in, sometimes I've seen a peak of like 14 amps. And the solar panel is only putting out, 5 to 6. And so it's one of those, like, it keeps the battery going during the day, but at nighttime, the refrigerators are still using power, and during the day I don't have quite enough power to pump in to keep them fully charged. So I'll pick up another one, but the one panel has been really awesome. We've been out here for 2 days now, and the battery is still doing okay. And so I think if you were running, like you said, one fridge and other accessories, lights and whatever during the night, you'd be perfectly fine. And if you're using a lot of power like myself, then you'll definitely want 2 of the solar panels. Of course, the links are down here in the bottom. So of course, hit me up if you have any questions. And then I should have some tidbits here on how much power and everything that the solar panel is creating throughout the day that you'll have right here. And I chased the sun all day. It is now 7:15 p.m. I plugged this in at 7:30 a.m., but there was very little light. So it's been going 12 hours, but not a lot of that, or not a lot, most of it with decent sunlight, but a few hours in the morning and, past hour or 2 in the evening, not getting a lot. And 45.6 amp hours throughout the day, and that's with me moving it about, trying to get the best sun, every hour or so. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you have more questions or you want to see more on the Power Wagon or on our camping setup, and I'll see you in the next video.